name is Dwyane Ramos.
Perfect.
My first experience with the Rubik's Cube was when I was walking down the mall and I saw a 2x2 Rubik's Cube with wick holes, and I was saying this to my parents. That'd be really cool to solve. My first 3x3 was the Chi Warrior back in 2018. I first learned CFOP for 3x3 back in 2018 by Paradox Cubing's YouTube videos. It was really annoying because I think I spent 3 days learning how to solve the first 2 layers. But after that it was pretty easy. I started to switch to Rue back in mid-2018 because I didn't feel like I was getting faster enough with CFOP. So I started learning it from Keen Mansour's Rue videos or Rue tutorials. And after that, in like a few weeks of practice, I started to break all these milestones. And eventually it just became my main method. My main event is Cube. My main cube is the Aoyan M. The main thing I love about cubing is the community. I really enjoy how everyone is so nice, and when you need help, there's gonna be plenty of people to help you and to give you all these tips. It's been cool meeting all my cubing friends, in real life, but since the lockdown, online comps has been a great substitution for it. But I'm really looking forward to competition starting again and meeting all my cubing friends.
Perfect.